Hey gang, welcome back to OUTLAW's Diecast Restorations. It's the holiday season, folks, and time for the Christmas Challenge, sponsored by Diecast Graveyard. I started out with this plastic McDonald's version of a 32 Ford Roadster sent to me by Keith at Outlaw Speed Shop. Thank you, Keith. I decided to use this vehicle for my Christmas challenge. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And make sure you check out the other guys in the challenge. A lot of good car restorers and customizers out there. Here's all the pieces put together, or taken apart, I should say. I decided to cut the back off of this little roadster and turn it into a roadster pickup. Rat rod, whatever you want to call it. So I took this styrene and I made me a little bed modeled after the originals. Just had to make sure I had enough scale to box it out over the rear axle. Little Tamiya putty to fill in the little gaps that were left. Pretty good stuff. Dries quickly, that's the benefit to it. Just let that dry, and then I'll do some sanding and filing. Here's the windshield I made for it. I wanted to incorporate those little rolls that were the edge of those old pickups. So I CA glued some brass tubing and shaking like a dog crapping peat seeds. But I got it in there. Stop playing with it. Get it there and leave it. Get my activator sprayed on here. Let's get some primer on this bad boy. The plastic takes the paint. You just have to scrape it up a little bit with some light sandpaper. The wheels were already gold, so I just cleaned them up a little bit with another coat. Here's all the pieces getting ready to be put back together, minus the base for some reason. I don't know, I guess I skipped it out of there. Here's what we started with. McDonald's giveaway, plastic Hot Wheels, 32 Ford Roadster. This is what we ended up with. This is Santa's rat rod pickup sled. I tried looking everywhere, could not find a Santa Claus to fit in there, so I ask your forgiveness for that. Got his logo on the side.